Good day, Jamaica. Right now, something right. I'm have to talk. I'm not going to talk right now. A long time I come and say nothing about what we are going. Because I watch everything. I watch the news. I watch everything. You get to understand? I really, I'm in my country, you understand? But when I want to know still, people now look what really are going on the real fully, you understand? Because look what going on. All of these killing what going on, you know. All of these killing what happen now, you know. I don't know, like it does, go say, you know, it's not me. Years by years, you know, people are premeditate each other, you know. All these killing are happening, you know. You understand? I mean, I don't know if people don't understand if politics don't like it. We don't know how people draw to it so much and love it. Because no matter how we are suffer, as we hear election time come, we're gone. In the orange, we're gone in the green, but I tell you the truth. Some of the time, you have to do a lot of things to get rid of a lot of things. You understand? But this time, we don't know what's going to happen. This election is going to be a bloody and a violent election. This election coming. And I'm already an election that people call as yet. Alright. When we say happen, Vybz Kartel incarcerated. You say they find him guilty to kill a man, right? Yeah, you have him in there. That means that so you have him. But what really take place with him now, it don't look good. And a long time you know say when the man get incarcerated they get rest treatment and within their road. Because I was once incarcerated. But I never spend a month or 3 months. I just come from and come out still. Because what really happened still, they get locked up for assault and win the case and we win the case. One day just there, me and the police come take me up and came to Spanish Town back. To the same case call up. Retrial. So me I say retrial after all nearly 5 months to go to court for you know. Court go 5 months to go to court, 5 months to court. You understand? I watch the knife. Now I watch the knife man. I don't know where you live, you know say upon the front page, you know, so you know say vehicle drive past on a regular basis. But me I tell you, and the first time me go in a Spanish Town jailhouse, me I say this can't be a jailhouse. When I go to Spanish Town jailhouse and I see the number of prisoners supposed to be held hold on in that department, it's 5 times the capacity. So you understand, you check it. If a place must hold 388 prisoners, and when I go there I see more than that. But you know, when you check it out, the system is like, it now change. Because when you're not guilty, you're still guilty because them have you in their eyes. Try your case. So, but now I tell you, it is very shocking and very sad to hear that an artist like Vybz Kartel going through these things and the system just needs to know what to do because I tell them I'm going to treat her with the car. We get police assault me already in the jail house. Yeah, police assault me already so me know how it goes. Sometimes it's easier to say, sometimes it's just easy and I say nothing to them, just easy because no matter what, if you have an influence on people in Jamaica, they might have you as a target so that you are going to brainwash people. Then. So many times if you hear something I know, something just keep it to yourself because you may say something and tell your own aunt yourself. To say this to say that, I'm not saying this to to be like I'm a saint, I'm not saying anything to help the system. Yeah, but me now go as hard as how some people go like saying bad things about them. If you're gonna say something about them bad enough, but they ask them to deal with it more than but you have to know to deal with the system in Jamaica. It's not everyone going to get the chance to go to prison and come out. Cause if you don't notice, when you left road and go into a jail cell, when you go into jail cell, they receive you as a body. You are received as a body, not a human, a body. And how we know that, first time when time I'm going to Spanish Town and the officer said to me, say, when we name, before the book even open, I look on the book and I read on the book. And the subject on the book, sign and said, receive a body. Receive a body. So if a 20 man go in there, they receive 20 body. And me I wonder how is that, because how you can receive a body and me alive. So when me get to understand, what am I likely to tell me say, when time you get incarcerated, you must come out alive. Because you have 4 police officers work at the front. And then at the back, you have all the prisoners then. And when you look at back, everybody there back. So many times things happen when I back when the police didn't even know. Because me see it already. Yeah, me see it already. Yeah. Alright, I tell you what. They in a jail and like Spanish Town now, you have Lindsay, they have Old Harbour. So you see all the court cases from Lindsay to Old Harbour. Or say for instance, a man go leave Clarendon and come to Spanish Town to do a crime. It is Spanish Town where they go to try his case. They're not going to do it at Clarendon because it's not Clarendon the crime happened. So you understand what I'm saying to you now. Go to bam and there in the one night. And you see when we look, we see more than 100 men are coming. And when before the man even enter the compound, the prisoner them there, brother, we see more than 200 men in Nigeria to take them face. May I tell you, 200 men take them face and I say, yo, a warrior now. Me come from uptown. Normally, that's surprising if you know that me live a puppy and me get incarcerated and my case as a Spanish Town. Spanish Town me end up go. Yeah, Spanish Town me end up go. And me I tell you, say, the first 2 weeks when me spending the stuff, me say, whole heap of things that me see man drop a ground, man stripe a ground. Yeah, me see a lot of things, in there. And I say then that these people really take out themselves and do crime and come do. And it's not crime alone man going there for. I tell you something now. And it's going to shock you and surprise you. Yeah, it's going to shock you and surprise you, Listen to this. When I go to Spanish Town, and I was there, if you have 500 prisoners in there, 200 depend crime. You see the other rest of prisoners them know what they mean for? Underage girl. You understand? You see, when I go to Spanish Town, they have 3 compartments in there. Yeah. You understand? And it is very serious. The first compartment are where the madman them stay. So you have man going in and get mad. Head lick, chip lick, because when you chip lick, the family don't look for you. So over the side them have to go. So anytime when they are madman, you know about look, you say all the time when they get food and when they visit come and prisoner get all the food. They share food in there. Because in there so we say prisoner live like Christian. You Christian, I'm out here when a Christian, you go to jailhouse right now and show them live. You see a Spanish town, me did in a penthouse, a Spanish town. I mean, I tell you, say, every morning, a man has to get up and read, and every morning a man has to clean the place. And we are talking about, we have soap and we have Dettol, and we have bleach. Man have to use rag and wipe the floor. And they have to wait till they can dry before they can go in. I mean, I tell you, say, you see if me couldn't read, you get a whole heap of beating. That's why I don't know how some of them boys, my bad man, and can't read and they go to jail. Man beat them up and then come out and them talk about them run jail out. They not tell you the truth. Let me tell you something. I'm going to shift off. I'm not hide nothing. And one time a man ever come to me when me in there. And I tell you, when he come to me, he have to ease off. And I don't do nothing. Because the first time I'm going there, it took me 4 days to talk to a man and say something to a man. From me going to one place, me is gay. In one corner. And you know how me get to talk is a man come and I'm telling me. I'm going to get serious and tell me, say, yo brother, anything with them and with them and I can make up my mind and give up, you know. So when me in them, I say, what me in I start doing, you know? I don't kill nobody, you know, brother. I don't kill nobody, I don't do nothing. I just defend myself because this policeman has come to me in a plain clothes, so he wants to search, I'm going to give him my main up something and nose get broken and then say, well, I start the state. Yeah, when I say I start the state, I say, but you never identify yourself to somebody because if you come and say, I'm constable, Raymond and I look at it, and you show me an idea and I got search. But if you think you're not a warrant, so when I say you're not a warrant, you can't send me see away, so, you know. You have to be smart, you have to know rights. But when you know rights, you have to know you can dead for your rights here with. You understand? So I try to show you, say, yo. And that's one nice place when you go to jail, because when you go to jail, something where you see, we go to jail and see man in a jail, and them saying you don't know his age. And you see, like the man there, you know, he reach Nigeria, he might ride him bicycle against the yard. And police stop him and take him a bicycle and crime in a jail. And from that police don't even look back on him. No family no come. So you know what happens. They just fling him in there, you know nobody to look for you to try to get bail for him or get him out. And then tell the man look like him about 970 years old. You don't know. But I tell the people. Then you tell our days we are grow up now, you see? And the life they are going on. It's like a wicked for them because I tell you, see what happened to Vybz Kartel. What about other more prisoners? When them say the things that I'm free. We have to know we are doing. Try to live safe and try to live good and live peaceful, you know. That's all we have to try to live peaceful. Not the more we have to live peaceful. So when you know when some of the youth get up the way that talk about a bad man and when they go to jail and call for the mother and his father. And the next thing come up to you see nobody youth when they go to jail and the mother at the father. Because you say if the mother did make the father grow him too, he will grow different than. Suppose my father was a Christian, but the mother is a Christian and she decides that she hide the pity from the man. When the youth turn 18 years old, you know, I be a bad somebody, you know, because him not see no man running to talk to him and make him know, say, brother, what you do a foolish thing you do, you know, that's not right, you know, looking at yourself, you know, get a trade, you know, brother, got a heart, you know, brother. Because as long as I tell that you will give me money to go in school, they don't want that, so you will go on. People, election will be a normal election because all of things are going. So you see that bad news this morning. When we go on social media this morning, we look and see Kingdom from Monday died. Yes, Gonata. You know how much things that can lead to right now in the country. One of the leading man in Jamaica that show Jamaican happiness. Like we take him, you know. Although they say we can't swear for nobody, you know, because all we are not clean, you know. Everybody and dirty, you know, but in the time, you know, you have to just know what you are doing. Well, RIP to all of the people that move past whether you sick, whether it was going down or but me I tell you it's rough. Because me know Mandeville good, Work at Mandeville for years. Yeah, I meet a lot of people in the Mandeville, you know? A lot of people we meet. I'm not talking about normal people, I'm talking about people, upscale people who own a lot of property. Even if Kingdom, we meet up one time. I have a bar in Mandeville where we ever go play back. But then we get paid and we get there to just go on Friday we go out and enjoy ourselves. So we have security we go Mandeville do, you know. We do 5 years Mandeville with that ticket company. Yeah man, 5 years. We work at Alpha, we work at Black River Hospital, we work at Black River Archers, we work at Newport Archers, we work at NCU, we work at NCU Chapel that I want them build up now. That I want them build up now at NCU and I go Newport way. We work a lot of places man. Towers, we work at Compost, we work a lot of places in Mandeville man, but we work at Black River Library, Black River Great House, White House, Great House, you know? We work at all of them. Name them, we work at all of them. And me are one of the first security that opened Black River Hospital for all the ticket companies. Mandeville was one of them too, but you know, let's see Mandeville now. Like a 2 week and we give you a trial, but they never give you Mandeville. But we get Black River, which was a hospital where things was abnormal there. So I tell you, people, we don't just pray for each other, man. Don't make your body come together and pray. Because it's not getting better and better, it gets worse and worse and bloodier. We soon have to, I think, if we come out of here to the skin of here, because we don't know what happened, we don't know what comes to us, we don't know who. Because none of we are not clean, my are not clean. Meaning, say, do something to an officer and it end up really cost me my opportunity to stay a road. And it end up turning back in my favor, you know, because we never have a bad file. We don't have a police record. We don't have something there. You understand? No police record, no bad file. So you say when they have a good file and something happen like it, you defend yourself. You may like if you get a chance to go out the road. But they're going to send you out back to see if you're going to do the same thing again, and then if you do it again and then hold on for you. The first time you do a crime, like say for instance, somebody do something and you stab them. Then say, well, go and call self-defense, and then you do it again. They might charge you for that one day before, because you lose their mind, say, he's a good person in trouble like this in yourself. But this time they might say, no, they might believe a person where you stop second time, so you have to know what you are doing. So may I tell you this, just remember this. I want not tell you now, I want uptown, you know? One uptown, you understand? And when I say uptown, peace and love. From Poppy into Augustone, Landleaf, Mudtown, Augustone, Burton Lane, Bakawa, Squeeze Top Road, Back Road, War Flat. You see me I say? Golf, Burton Lane, our walk of life of community, man. Pray for each other, man. Better in the fight of the rough. One nutshell and I'm out. So the Caesar for the crime and the violence and avoid politics. Avoid the politics a year and see what happens. Okay? Peace and love. Jamaica.